Yes, namaste children. Shall we start our day?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What we discussed in our earlier classes, children, we are discussing about what are the algebraic expressions and the equations. We discussed about the different types of expressions and how to solve simple equations. And also in solving simple equations, there are two varieties of questions we solved. One thing is linear expressions, that is linear equations, a variable having a single side, either LHS side or RHS side. And one more point, what we discussed, children, both the sides. A variable having both the sides. So we discussed those two parts. Today we'll see that application part. Okay, children, application part of our linear equations with single variable. Let me share my screen. Just a minute, children. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, children. Yes, yes. Yes. Who is this? Am I audible to you, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, someone is calling. Who is that?
Ma'am, name of that. Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth. Siddharth.
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am.
Okay, right. Yeah. Application part means what, children? How we are using concept in our day-to-day life situations. See in exercise 2.2, the first one. Yes, Srihita, can you read the first question? Are you able to see the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the question.
If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number?
Yes. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. These are the different statements are given. First you have to think, let the number be what you supposed to
A.
think? X.
Let the number
X.
be X.
Yes. First step, you supposed to read your question, try to understand the question thoroughly. What are the given statements you have to see in your application part? So first question, if you subtract half of half from a number and multiplied the result, first thing you have to see the first part. What is the first part? Yes,
X minus 1 by 2.
X minus 1 by
X
2.
minus 1 by 2.
yes. Wait, Sahu. Yes, you see here, first question, you let the number should be x. First you have to take the number x. What you should do? First statement, what is given your statement? If you subtract,
X minus 1
yes,
by 2
if you
multiplied
subtract,
by 1 by
what you should subtract? If you subtract half of a number, suppose let number be x, let number be
X.
x, then what you should subtract, children? You should subtract from,
1 by 2.
yes, that means x minus 1 by 2. Till here your part is over. Then what you should do?
Into 1 by 2.
Yes, you should
Ma'am,
multiply
is the
the
answer
result.
3 by 4?
You should
Ma'am,
multiply
can we
the,
give the bracket there?
Yes, yes, I will give.
Yes, ma'am, we have to
Yes.
put a bracket over there.
Yes, you should multiply the result. Whatever the result I got, x minus 1 by 2. You should multiply the result with what number?
Half
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Yes, multiply means no symbol also you can take as multiplication symbol.
Is equal to 1 by 8.
1 by
1
8.
by 8.
The result is nothing but 1 by
1 by
8. Now you know this process. What is the next step, children? You have to
Open the bracket, x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 8.
wait a minute, sir. Yes,
No, ma'am.
wait.
X minus 1 by 2
Yes,
equal to
yes.
1 by 8
Yes,
into
any way
2.
you can do, any way you can do. There is both the ways. You can send half inside and again you have to simplify is one thing. Instead of doing that, you can take, this is multiplication. If you transpose to other side, what it becomes? Reciprocal of 1 by 2.
Division.
Division.
Yes, it come under division. That means we are writing 1 by 2 divided by
1 by 8 divided by
1 by 2. Yes.
1 by
So,
4.
yes, yes. Next thing, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. You supposed to write division becomes multiplication. You have to make this reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is nothing but?
Ma'am,
Why?
but ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, yes. What's your doubt?
I'm can't we multiply x into 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2?
If you multiply and again you need to simplify, it takes long process.
And
You can-
that will
yes,
be a
yes.
long
Anyway, you can do like that also. You see the time, which is easy for you. You just check it. I will do that part also. Don't worry. You can take the same answer you will get here and there also. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to what is here, children? Numerators are 2 divided by. What are the numerators? Any cancellation part is going here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, it will become 1 by 4.
1
1
by
by
4.
4, ma'am.
You can cut it.
Ma'am, 2 ones are and 2 fours are, ma'am.
Yes, 2 ones are, 2 fours are. It's nothing but what is left over.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Yes, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. If you transpose the minus to other side, what it becomes?
Plus.
X is
1
equals
by
to 1
4
by 4
minus
plus
1
1 by 2.
Yes. Finally, what you supposed to, you make your denominators as same, then you have to add. So what is LCM for 4 and 2 is 4.
4.
So no change for
4.
first fraction. Second fraction,
3
you
by
just
4.
multiply both the sides with 2. So 2 by 4. That's nothing but 1 by 4
And
plus
3 by 4.
1 by 4 plus 2 by.
2 by 4.
Yes, what is the result?
X
Children?
is equals to 3 by 4.
Yes.
Ma'am, it will be like we have to do LCM, ma'am.
Which one? Which one? X is
Ma'am, 1 into 2 and 2 into 2.
where? Where?
Ma'am, we have to multiply 1 into 2 and 2 into 2, ma'am, in 1 by 2.
Yes, instead of doing the LCM, you are doing in your lower classes. You are coming to 8th grade, right? You are taking LCM and doing converting these things. You are supposed.
Ma'am, did I do correct?
Yes, x is equal to 3 by 4 is the correct one. Yes, if you multiply and check, anyone did that method? First only they will multiplied with half into x.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, anyway, you are getting the same answer, right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
X
same
is
answer.
3 by 4.
Yes, 3 by 4 only. If you do any method, you will get the same one thing. Yes. Any doubt in first one? You just
No,
No,
ma'am, no doubt.
before starting your sum, you have to read twice the question, children. What is the question given? You have to see. Try to understand the statements. Try to understand the statements.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Jitvesh. Jitvesh, where is your doubt, my dear?
I mean, x equal to 1 by 4 plus how we got 2 into 2, ma'am?
Yes. Here, I think you have doubt here, right? Here,
Yes.
this is fraction, addition of fraction, my dear. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So how you are adding your fractions? You are making your denominators as same. Here denominators are not same. That means it's are unlike fractions. You need to convert into like fractions. To convert as a like fractions, you take the LCM of denominators. What is LCM of 2 and 4? LCM of 2 and 4 is 4.
4.
So already first fraction you have denominator 4, no need to change. Second fraction you make your denominator as 4, means what number you're supposed to multiply there? You should multiply with
2 by 4.
2. So therefore x is equal to 1 by 4 plus, here 1 2s are 2, 2 by 4. It's nothing but x is equal to 3 by
3 by 4.
Hope it is clear your doubt, Jivitesh? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. It's a simple fraction addition. No need to worry. Yes, very good. Anyway, you are clarifying your doubt is appreciable thing. And go with the second one. 1 minute.
Ma'am, I completed the second one.
Yes, Vedika. 1 minute, Vedika. Let me take that part.
Ma'am, I can't see the second question.
Yes, I'm doing, my dear. Now, Vedika, can you read the second one? Question part, please.
Ma'am, shall I answer it or shall I read
No,
the
no,
question?
reading question is I want first.
Okay. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool?
Yes. You see here, children, the perimeter of rectangular swimming pool. What is the shape of a swimming pool?
Rectangle.
Rectangular.
Yes. So what is the perimeter of rectangle?
2 into L
2
plus
into in
into L
bracket L
plus
plus
B.
B.
Yes, 2 into L plus D. What are the given things you're supposed to write down, children? Statements you have to write down. What is the statements given for you? You just check it.
And the perimeter is 154 meters.
Yes, perimeter is 154 meters. Yes, second one.
Ma'am,
And then we can assume the breadth as
154 is
L.
equals to
Perimeter of rectangular.
Ma'am, 2 into L plus B is equal to 1.
Ma'am,
154.
154 is equal to 2 into L plus B. Then
Yes.
we
No,
should
ma'am.
Then we have to do
Ma'am, shall I say how to
Siddharth,
do
wait a minute. Let me help that statement. Just here, what is given, you have to check.
Ma'am, I can't see the question, ma'am.
Ma'am, and then the length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth.
Yes, length, breadth is given. You just take as a. What is the relation between length
X.
and breadth?
Ma'am, so length can be, we can assume
Ma'am, length
the
is
breadth
equals
as
to
X,
2x plus
2 plus 2x.
What is length given, children? Length is
Ma'am,
given 2 meters
2
more
meter
than
more than
twice the breadth. So if you take the breadth,
ma'am means 154 is equals to 2 into 2
yes,
plus 2x plus x.
yes, very good.
Ma'am, since breadth equals to 150 divided by 6,
Yes, breadth is equal to.
150 divided by 6.
No, see, the statement is given perimeter is 154 centimeters. We know that rectangle perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. What is the relation between length and breadth is given? Breadth you take as B.
Length is equals
Length is equal to 2 meters more than twice its breadth. That means twice its breadth means 2B. 2 meters more means you have to add 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Breadth
is
is
it
same
like
as B. You take breadth is same as B. Why I'm writing this part means the relation between length and breadth is given in your question. You see here, the question very clearly it is the length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth. 2 meters more. More means you are adding plus 2. So 2B plus 2. Now you know that perimeter of rectangle is equal to 154
Ma'am,
centimeters. You just substitute in place of length. What is the length?
Ma'am,
What is the length? 2b plus
Plus 2.
2. Breadth is same as b.
Plus
Breadth
3.
is same as b. It's nothing but 154 centimeters.
ma'am, but they said,
154
L is equal to B plus 2.
Yes.
Ma'am, L is equal to B plus 2. No, ma'am, how did 2 become?
Nana, ikkada question once you read Siddhartha, twice its breadth, 2 meters more than twice its breadth. 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Twice means how many times?
Ma'am, into 2, ma'am.
Into 2, 2 times. So that means 2b. 2 meters more also, not only twice. It is 2 more than twice of the number.
Okay,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yes, good. Now 2b plus b is nothing but? 2b plus b is nothing but? You just see the like terms, children, like variables. 2b plus b is nothing but 3b plus 2 is equal to 154. Now, this 2 is multiplied. If you transpose to other side, what it becomes? It comes under division. It comes under division. Half of 154. 3b plus 2 is equal to half of 154. How much? 70.
72.
Yes, 70. Yes or no? What is half of 154?
77.
Yes. Who is telling 72?
Ma'am, me, ma'am, my
Yes.
mistake.
Okay, no problem. But you see the number half of 150, half means 75. 4 half means 2. 75 plus 2 is 77. Now 3b, this plus 2, right side to right, left to right, if you transpose plus 2 minus 2. 77 minus 2.
75.
25.
3b is equal to 75. What is the b value? 75 divided by
3.
3.
Please tell the b value, do division and tell the b value.
25, ma'am.
25 meters.
25. 25.
Ma'am, so length will be 25 into 2 plus 2, that is 52 meters.
Very good. But we know that relation between length and breadth. Length is nothing but 2 times breadth, 2 more than 2 times breadth. So 2 into 25 is nothing but, what is the length? Relation between length and breadth. Already it is written
Length
here.
is equal to 52
Yes,
centimeters.
it is written here. You check here. Length is equal to 2 times breadth plus 2. So
2 into 25 plus 2.
25 plus 2. It's nothing but 50. 50 plus 2 is
52.
nothing but 52. So length is
Meters.
52 centimeters. Breadth is 25 centimeters.
Ma'am, 52 meters.
Ma? Meters? It is,
Ma'am, that's 52 meters.
Yes, ma'am, it's meters.
okay. You take meters only, children. I thought it is centimeters.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I did it in another way, ma'am.
What is the way?
Ma'am, here it shows 2 into 2b plus 2 plus b, na ma'am. I did it as 4b plus 4 plus 2b equal to 154, ma'am.
Where, ma?
60.
Where?
Ma'am, even I did the exact same.
You just multiplied. That's all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can do the same values only. You will get, right?
Into 2, ma'am. 2 into 2b, 2 into 2 and 2 into b.
Yes, you can complete. Yes, you can. Whatever the method you feel easy, you can do. Anyway, children, you can do, but answer is same. Is it same answer you are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but more simpler. Yes, good, children. And what is the third one? Yes, any doubt in second bit?
Ma'am, it's 52 meters now, ma'am.
Yes, 52 meters only, ma.
Okay.
Any doubt in second one? Yes. Any doubt, children? Second bit.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Go to the third part.
Ma'am, I completed the third one.
Now, okay. I want the question. Who will read? Now, Srihita. Okay, Srihita. already-
Ma'am, may I read?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I read?
1 minute. Satvik is there. Satvik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please read the third one.
Okay, ma'am. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeters. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeters.
Very good.
What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides?
Yes. So before going to this sum, we need to learn about isosceles. We need to know about isosceles triangle. What is
Ma'am,
isosceles?
Base
Wait,
angles are
wait.
equal and two
Sides
sides
will
are
be equal
equal.
and one
sides
side
are
will
equal
be
and
unequal.
the base is not equal, ma'am.
Very
The
good.
base is not equal, but two other sides are equal.
Yes. In triangle, two sides are equal. Other side maybe not. Two sides are equal. Then we call it as
Isosceles
isosceles
triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
triangle. But in our question, what is given? Base part of isosceles triangle is given as 4 by 3 centimeters. So perimeter also given. What is any picture? Whatever the figure given for you, perimeter of the figure.
Sum of all the
Let me
sides.
draw
Sum
the
of all sides.
yes. Sum of all sides.
Ma'am, 4 integer.
1 minute.
Ma'am,
Sahu.
2a plus 4, 3 equal to 62 by 15, ma'am.
Sahu. Wait a minute, Sahu. Yes. I'll help you. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Base part is given as, what is base part, ma?
Ma'am, can you please show
4
the
by
sum?
3.
Yes, yes,
4 by 3.
yes. Base part is given as 4 by 3. 4 by 3 centimeters. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Suppose if I'm taking this side as x, what is the other side?
X.
X. Why I'm
2x.
taking both are x? Why I'm taking both?
And because in isosceles triangle, two sides are always equal.
Yes, if equilateral triangle means
All the three
Three
sides
sides are
will be
equal.
equal.
what is scale and
Ma'am,
triangle?
three sides.
All
Ma'am,
the three sides will be
neither
equal.
sides are
Unless
equal, ma'am.
3 sides are not equal.
Yes. What about right angle triangle?
Ma'am, one angle will be 90
One of
degrees.
the angle will be right angle, ma'am.
Siddharth, what is acute angle? What acute? Siddharth, are you there?
Ma'am?
Acute
Yes,
angle
ma'am.
triangle.
You asked what is.
Yes,
Ma'am,
because
acute angle triangle means. Ma'am, in acute angle triangle, there will be all like one acute angle, ma'am.
all angles are acute, right? Yes. What is obtuse angle triangle?
Ma'am,
Can I
one
say-
angle will be obtuse angle and other will be acute.
Why we discussed means here, based on sides we have three types of triangles. Based on angles again we have three more types. So based on sides we are taking as scalene, isosceles and equilateral triangle. In that we get the sum as third with isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. So here I am taking the sides as x, so other side is also be x. So perimeter is given how much, children?
Ma'am, 4 integer 2 by 15 minus 4 by 3 is equals to 2x.
1 minute, children. Yes.
Ma'am, the equation will be 62 by 15 is equal to 4
Yes,
by 3.
this is x, this is x, this is 4 by 3 centimeters or meters?
Centimeters.
Centimeters. What is perimeter, children? Perimeter is nothing but?
And 4 2 by 15.
Sum of all sides.
Sum of all sides.
Yes, sum of all sides. What is perimeter given in your sum? 4 2 by 15 centimeters. 4 2 by 15 centimeters. 4 2 by 15 centimeters.
62
now
by 15.
Yes. Now you go with this part, children. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. So what are the sides in the triangle? One side is
4 by
x, other side is also x, other side is 4 by
3
3.
by 4 by 3.
So which is equal to perimeter already given as 4 2 by 15 centimeters. It is mixed fraction, you just convert as improper fraction. And here x plus x is how much? Yes, wait.
2x plus
Wait.
4 by 3 is equals to 32 by 15.
Yes, 2x. X plus x is 2x plus 4 by 3 is equal to. So you
32 by 15.
yes, mixed
62
fraction you
by
convert as an improper. 15 4s are 60. 60 plus 2 is 62 by 15. Yes, you have to transpose to other side, right side. Plus becomes
minus.
Minus 4 by 3.
yes, 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. Now,
LCM is
yes, wait
15,
a minute.
so
Sahu,
4.
Sahu, wait a minute. My question for who is the student? Yes. Jitvesh,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. What is the LCM of 3 and 15?
Ma'am,
What is the LCM of 3 and 15? Yes, what is the LCM of 3 and 15?
Ma'am, one second.
Is 3 multiple is 15?
Ma'am, 15 is
Yes,
3.
ma'am.
3 multiple is?
Ma'am, it is 15 only, ma'am.
Yes, 3 multiple, 3 5s are 15 you will get, right? 3 multiple is 15.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
LCM? What is the LCM?
15.
15. Ma'am, it's only 1, 3
Each
into
then
5.
any two numbers. One is multiple, 3 multiple is 15. So greater number is LCM, least number is the HCF. Please, no need to do the procedure also. You can see by see it seems you can answer that. Now LCM is 15. First, in first fraction, no need to change. Why? Because denominator is 15, 62 by 15. And the second one, denominator as 3, you make it as a 15 means what number? You're supposed to multiply.
20 by 15.
Ma'am, 5 and 5.
Very
20
good.
by
5 by
15.
5. Come on. Now 2x is equal to how much, children? 62 by 15 minus
Yes,
20 by
20 by 15.
42 by
By
15.
15.
yes. Now you
Ma'am, x equal to 7 by 5.
yes. Now denominators are same. You can multiply. You can subtract the numerators. 62 minus 20 by 15, which is nothing but 42 by 15. Can we make it as yes, Pallav?
Ma'am, we can multiply it by 1 by 2.
Ma'am, we can directly
Yes.
divide it by 2 and then 2.
We have the value of 1 minute, children. Yes, 2x is equal to how much you are getting? 42 by 15. So we need only the variable value, x value. So x is multiplied.
X equal
Side,
to
if you
42
transpose
by
to the
15
side,
into 1
it
by
will
2.
come under division. It will come under
21 by
division.
15
15
centimeter.
by 2. Now you can cancel up. 2 ones are 2 twos are.
2 21s are. X
21
is
by
equal to
15.
21
Again
by
it will
15
reduce. Again
centimeter.
it will reduce with the 3 table, right?
7 by 5, ma'am.
7 by 5.
By
7
5.
are 3 5s are. So 7 by 5 is the value of x. So once the
Remaining
value
five.
of x means what is the side of an equilateral triangle? What is the side of equilateral triangle?
Ma'am, all the sides are equal,
Ma'am,
so
actually
3x.
all sides are equal, ma'am.
No, here isosceles triangle I'm asking about, right? What is the side of isosceles triangle? It is 7.
7 by 5 centimeters.
7 by 5.
Yes. Any doubt in this? Once you make the
Ma'am, can we write it as one integer 2 by 5 centimeter?
yes, because it is an improper fraction.
Yes,
You
that
always
will be
convert into a mixed number also. Good, Sahu. You see the option part, when your option is improper, you can keep as it is. If it is mixed fractions also, sometimes they will give, and option they will ask both. First A is given as 7 by 5 and B is given as 1 2 by 5. Option C is given both A and B. That time which one you supposed to choose?
Both option A and B.
Yes. Anyway, according to your question, you're supposed to do the part. Next one. Yes, coming to the fifth one. Sorry, fourth one we didn't complete. Please, children, see the fourth one.
Ma'am, I completed.
Yes. Siddharth, please read the fourth one.
Ma'am, may
Sum of
I?
the numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the number. Ma'am, can I tell how, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, 2a plus 15 equal to
Ma'am,
95. Ma'am.
ma'am, x plus 15 is equal to 95, ma'am. We have to do like that.
X plus why you are taking x plus
Ma'am, 2x
Ma'am,
we
because
can
the
write.
same number, it exceeds the other by 15, ma'am. Like the same number plus 15 is equal to the other number.
Okay. What you supposed to take the time?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
2x
like
plus 15 is equal to 95, ma'am.
According to you, anyway, you can do this. You just let me
Ma'am,
write on the
we
screen.
have to do x plus 15 is equal to 95. 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. 2x is equal to 95 by 15.
So, wait, Siddharth. Wait, let me explain. Sum of two numbers is 95. That means x plus y is 19. One exceeds the other by 15. That means the difference of those two numbers is nothing but how much? Exceeds means difference between two numbers is
15, ma'am.
15, right? Now, if you add up these two simple equations, what is happening? X plus x becomes 2x, plus y minus y becomes 0, is nothing but 95 plus 15. 95.
Ma'am,
Yes, 2x
ma'am,
is
110.
equal to
Ma'am, so
110.
it will be 95 minus
X is equal
15,
to
80.
x is equal
ma'am,
to half of Siddharth.
minus
Siddharth.
15. No?
X is equal to
Ma'am, it will be minus 15.
Yes, ma'am. 95 minus 15.
Yes, ma'am. It will be 95 minus 15, 80.
where, ma?
Ma'am, in answer.
Ma'am, it is 2x plus 15. So plus 15 will go here and become minus 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Minus.
ma'am.
1 minute.
95 minus 15, it will become, ma'am, 80.
No, if you take like that also, you will get the same answer. You check it now. X plus
No,
y is
ma'am,
equal to
then 40
95.
will come.
If I want y value,
No, ma'am,
what is
the
y
answer
value?
will come as 40.
Which
Ma'am, one will be 40, one will be 55, ma'am. One of
yes,
the.
yes. If you want x plus y, we know that x plus y is equal to 95. You know x is for 55. 55 plus what number gives 95?
55 minus 95, 40.
Yes, yes. Same only.
Ma'am,
We can do
ma'am,
any
like
method.
simply we can do like 55 minus 15, ma'am. We'll get 40.
X value we are getting as 55. 55 plus y is equal to 95. If you transpose that y to other side, 95 minus 55, y is equal to
40.
40. One value is 40, other value is 55. Any doubt in this?
Ma'am, both the methods are same only, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
both methods we are getting same answers only. No need to worry. If you do any method, you can get the answer is same. We have many paths to reach our goal, but the shortest path we are supposed to see. Yes. I won't do the fifth bit is work for you. Please start working on fifth bit. 1 minute time for you. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? That's our question. Ratio is given. You just assume the numbers be x, 5x and 3x. Differ means their difference is nothing but 18. 5x minus 3x is 18. Come on, start working on the sums. Yes, children. See the fifth one. The two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. Ratio is given. They differ by 18. Differ means the difference between the two numbers is 18. What are the numbers? You take the two numbers be 5x and 3x. The difference between those two
Ma'am,
numbers.
45 is to 27, ma'am. Answer is.
Yes, Pallav. What is your answer, Pallav?
45 is to 27.
Wait a minute. Let me write your answer on the screen. Pallav answer is 45 and
27, ma'am.
okay. First you gave good. And what about the other students?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, shall I say the
Yes,
answer?
Vedika. Vedika.
Ma'am, 27.
27 and
Ma'am, 27 and 45, two
Ma'am,
numbers.
you
45.
also get the same.
45.
Sahu
Ma'am,
answer also same. Then
45 is to 27.
Satvik.
Ma'am, 45 is to 27. ma'am.
Very good. 45 and 27 are the numbers. Good. If you see that numbers, ratios, yes. If you simplify that, you will get the ratio again 5:3 only. You'll just see with the 9 table, it will go. 45 and 27 are the numbers. I can get answers from only 4 students. Where is the remaining students? Are you doing or simply sleeping?